While delivering the Fullerton lecture at IISS Singapore, a British research institute, Information and Broadcasting Minister Manish Tiwari talked about the ambitions and aspirations of the Indian people while highlighting the agenda of inclusive growth required to fulfill them.
Given the solid track record of performance over the past 10 years, the UPA is given a third term. But if people do decide to the contrary, then I think our track record speaks for itself. If you look at the track record of the Indian National Congress, whether in the assemblies where it sits in the opposition, even today, because in India's federal polity, the fact is that most of the parties which sit in opposition in Parliament are actually governing in various states. And the one commonality across the board is that the Congress is the principal opposition in most of the states. So therefore, our track record in opposition, speaks for itself.
The minister also talked about the provincial elections currently underway in 5 states and the national elections slated for April-May 2014. Stressing on the significance of communal harmony, Manish Tiwari emphasized that the Congress party has never attempted to justify the 1984 anti-Sikh riots.
Indian National Congress has never ever attempted to even justify what happened in 1984.
Manish Tiwari even talked about the policy priorities of UPA government in 2014 if people give them another opportunity to govern. INB minister believes it should translate into consolidating the progress of the previous decade to build a state that is able to deliver to the expectations of an empowered, ignited, transformed and connected India. Bureau Report, DD News.